Lima, the second driest capital on Earth, full of cars and leaded petrol. We didn't stay long. I love rain.
This guy had a walking stick next to him and it made me really upset.
This could have been really lovely, but the road, you know,
Was not. Follow me to the entrance.
Okay, I shall. What do we have on the left?
The hut for the guides to relax in.
Chill.
Chill. And chill, quite literally. Got yourself a lovely bench to look out on the view. Not that we did that,
No,
because that is in bright sunshine for most of the day.
we can't deal with sunshine.
No.
Not anymore.
No. Welcome to our lodgings, where you will find you have a phenomenal cubicle with some insect-proof lining, walls, we'll say.
And a delightful smell.
Suggested this was not nice lodging. It was very nice.
Dual wielding, walk through the jungle.
You'll be safe with me. Oh, you're a wasp and you will piss off. Don't make me machete you. Oh my gosh! Hello! They're little though, they're so little.
You wouldn't say that if it was in your house.
No, that's very true. It's a termite nest.
Termite nest.
It's huge.
The termites use the poop for make the nest.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
termite eat the wood or the dead trees, no?
What have you got, Tally?
Cotton from a plant. They use it to make their clothing here. And it's so fluffy and soft. Ooh. Seems like a bad idea. How strong is that?
Yes.
Really
It's
strong.
can support 1 ton.
Seriously?
Yes.
I don't trust it. I live here now because I don't know how I'm getting down.
Ah, you bastard.
How are you even swimming when it's that shallow?
Fine. Actually, it was deeply uncomfortable.
Why it's so hot?
It's all part of the fun. This lake was almost 40 degrees, and then we had to start rowing. And we got even hotter, and Tally ended up with heat stroke and my camera overheated. It was beautiful though.
Go slowly, we have sign.
What? I just hold the bottom bit.
Exactly.
I'm off.
Good luck.
Peace out. Bloody hell.
Can I go?
You have to put 10 meters between.
10 meters, yeah. Yeah?
Not 2 seconds after being told that you had to put 10 meters between the two of us.
I don't listen, do I? I think this might hold a record for the creakiest thing I've ever stepped on.
Chicken stealing cat. No more cat?
I think I went under. And he bit my foot as well.
Cat. And you love him.
It's like peanut milkshake.
Peanut milkshake with an egg.
Yeah. We just had an olive with it, so. I'm gonna take a video of Tally in the shower. She smells so gross.
God, that's warm. Oh my God, no. Be cold. Be cold. It's getting there. It's getting there. This is what happens when you spend 4 days in the same trousers
without a clothes wash.
Oh my god, yes, it's cold. Yes. Oh, no heat stroke today.
I was thinking if it continues to rain, we might get a full pool.
Puerto Maldonado. It's the gateway to the Amazon. About 6 years ago, they put a road in. Seems to be making the town bigger rather than in any way better. It's not my favourite place.
A lot of
An
feral
awful
dogs.
lot of feral dogs.
And they all seem to have mange, and
Why
they
is
like
there
chasing motorbikes. The highland. We just come from the jungle and we were not used to it. So we started walking around incredibly slowly.
Well, initially at London pace,
Yes.
which you sternly told me off for.
The altitude is real, isn't it?
I feel like I'm not as heavy.
London's like below sea level, I think.
No.
And now we're like 5,000.
Is it below sea level? We're not 5,000 up. Rainbow Mountain is 5,000.
Let's not go there.
Not today.
Not today.
The fun police.
What did he tell you to do?
To sit up because it was the afternoon.
I'm surprised this guy with bubbles isn't being told off, really.
He might have a license.
Yeah, he could have a license. Yeah. Bubble license. Is taking selfies allowed? The advice for acclimatizing to altitude includes avoiding large meals, alcohol, and caffeine.
This coffee was delectable. It was the best coffee we'd had. Incredibly lucky. It really did not mist up. It was beautiful.
Where do you like being?
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. I'm a human being that is built for sea level.
This man, however,
Like a llama or an alpaca. The Irishman cruises up the mountain.
I have a solid grip.
Without breaking a bead of sweat.
It's absolutely beautiful, but rather tinged with not being able to breathe. In some ways it makes it more of an adventure, only I'm not so sure it's the type of adventure that I really need to have. It's delicious corn, by the way.
We're doing much better than yesterday.
I feel better than yesterday.
Yeah, all of us, I think.
Was this the worst part?
Good. I believe you were asked at one stage whether you missed me because I decided to make this delightful choice. Princess and Lawrence of Arabia.
you doing okay then?
This is the best decision of my life. Though I have to say I was rather embarrassed by my mode of transport when I did finally reach the top, by comparison to everyone else who had actually earned it.
We're now getting down Had to put my camera away for a while because it was absolutely chucking it down. But we are where the oxygen is, which is lovely, and Tally is very happy about that.
I love trees.
It's very beautiful. Deeply unsuccessful game of
Who's
football.
absolutely enormous boots on.
We scored no goals.
Every step of this railway track, Alex saw another sign that warned against walking anywhere near the track, let alone on it.
There's like rusting holes in this bridge.
That is gonna give in soon.
It's taken 5 days to get here, but here are some clouds.
4 kilometers of stairs in 45 minutes.
To get to the top of Machu Picchu. Hey Tally. How you feeling? Llama. Juan, looking very good.
As per usual.
Gents. You didn't think you were looking at llama balls today?
How did they build this?
The photos don't do it justice. It's incredible. More stairs. After struggling back down those stairs and another march along those train tracks, Tally experienced the most terrifying bus journey of her life, whilst I slept through the whole thing.